All right, y'all, I just look damn good. I can't even deny it, okay? Period. So yeah, let's go, y'all.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats.
Well, what's up, y'all? It's so much I have to catch you guys up with. I'm in New Orleans. I made it here yesterday, and yesterday was a very busy day because as soon as I came, which mind you is like 7 hours from where I'm at, my sister's having her grand opening today, so we had so much to do, and I had to make sure I make it to support her and just help out. So this morning it's actually like, it's 11 o'clock. We're going to do my makeup. So as you guys can see, I am not wearing lash extensions. I decided to give myself a break. All right, y'all, so there's not really anything I can sit you guys on, but what I'm gonna try to do is this, if this works. You guys can watch me do my makeup if y'all want to see that. So if you're interested, let me see something. All right, y'all, so I washed my hands, and then I hope this light is kind of better than without the hallway light. My hair to the back so it's not in the way. And shout out to my hairstylist, she did do a quick weave on me because that's what I like. All right, y'all, so the lashes are on. I went in and got the lashes on there. I love how they look. They're small and it's gonna look like natural, don't worry. All right, next thing I'm about to do is just go in and do my brows real quick.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I bought the clothes I'm wearing. I bought the rock I'm rocking. Depend on me if I wanted the watch I'm wearing. I bought it. The house I live in. I bought it. The car I'm driving. I bought it. I depend on me. I depend on me.
Oh, that's your job.
Turn it off. I'm recording, so you in it now.
In your YouTube?
Yeah.
Hold up. Cut. Hold up.
What?
I need to get my nail polish remover.
I'm not cutting this out, so.
Hold up, man. I don't be in no YouTube video. I look rough as hell.
Okay. So yeah, these are the eyebrows. They look crazy, but it's gonna fall together. I need that hallway light for light.
Bruh. I don't know where some of my bag you should wear stuff.
Okay, y'all, so this is what I do. Why you got that game room light on? That's what's what's wasting electricity.
Bro, you don't say the light bill.
It doesn't
You wasting
matter.
my electricity on that.
It doesn't matter. Okay, y'all. Are done, the lashes are on.
Tell me how you feel about this. Do it how I want, live how I wanna live. I worked hard and sacrificed to get what I get. Ladies, it ain't easy being independent. Question, I just like this knowledge that I brought. Bragging on that cash that he gave you is a front. If you're gonna brag, make sure it's your money you fund. You know no one else to give you what you want. Shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing.
I wanna get in my video so bad, y'all. Hold on.
Cause I depend on me if I wanted the watch I'm wearing. I bought it. The house I live in. I bought it. The car I'm driving. I bought it. I depend on me. I depend on me.
She'll come back to me, baby. We don't have much left of that.
Hey, watch out.
Is it?
That's good.
Damn, what the hell is all of this?
Bitch, I'm disabled.
Girl got a pharmacy sad.
Man, put that away, bro. Thank you.
Okay, I'm just gonna do my lips and I'm pretty much done. Okay, y'all. Let me show y'all how it looks. Move! Let me get the last part in there. So y'all, this how the makeup turned out. I need to go add some mascara to my bottom lashes and top. But this is how it looks. I used her lip gloss with a pink, what is it called? A pink matte lip gloss. And then her lip liner. And yeah, let me go ahead and change, fix my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Okay, y'all, let me show you guys how the makeup turns out.
I'm hungry.
So this is what we have, okay? Yeah, I think this look very much natural, very much baddie, giving everything it's supposed to give. So I hope you guys like that look, okay? Y'all seen the craziness and it still turned out pretty good. I'm feeling it. So we're about to get ready to go to Trader Joe's, and I am at Cane's because I want fries. Like, it's so freaking, I'm hungry. I have not ate since I've been up, and like I said, I've been up since 7, and it is here. Let's see how far Trader Joe's is from here. Okay, so the opening starts at 2. If they do some type of gift, I'm really like last minute with it. If not, I'll just cash out some money. And yeah, so from there we're gonna head straight to the studio, and I believe that's like how far is that? I don't know how far it is away because I've never been there. She sent me the address, and y'all do not be mad at me. Party's over. It's 5:41. I done ate, sweated, okay, because I was the lunch lady. Around here and here, I end up using, I think it's Noxzema pads, and it was too strong for my face, and I cleaned, like I went in with the Oxy thing I was telling you guys about, and then I used the pads, and oh my god, y'all, it had my face red, and it was hard, like not, well, it was harsh, it was too strong, and it left my face like with rough patches as of now. So that's why it's important that after the derma, whatever it's called, we put a mask on my face so that it can rejuvenate and all that good stuff. So I'm really excited.
That you was dissing her to talk to me. She will probably leave you alone, probably curse you out and unplug her phone. But she be glad, oh yeah, that you was gone, and she wouldn't have to worry. No, if your girl only knew that I won't want to kick it with you. If your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me.
Alright, y'all, so this is the after look of my skin. Y'all seen how my face looked before, and this is after doing what it's supposed to do.
I've